It's the Texas weather discussion video for Thursday, the 6th of June. I'm Donovan Neal. Spotty showers and thunderstorms are possible later today, but then for the weekend, we should clear to mostly hot conditions and mostly sunny skies, and then most of next week we should be mostly dry as well. So here's an upper air map across the continental United States. Yesterday evening, you can see that trough was basically still rotating to the northwest of us, but I'm pretty sure it's on top of here because this is the radar at 4:54 earlier this morning. You can see that surface low is basically positioned in the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex, and the storms are in the showers and rain are basically moving to the east away from us, and that's basically going to continue to move off to the east earlier in the day. I think hotter weather should filter in by that point. Temperatures earlier this morning, mostly in the upper 60s to low 70s, feels really good out this morning, starting with temperatures about average for this time of the year. I think it'll be a pretty average day, highs in the upper 80s as well. On the watch warning map, have flash flood watches in effect for parts of places like New Orleans, Jackson, Mobile, and some of the Florida Panhandle, and also near Tulsa and Canton and Little Rock and parts of like Joplin and Wichita and Kansas. But here in Texas, we remain quiet. On the convective outlooks, we got an enhanced risk of severe storms for places like San Antonio and areas surrounding areas near Corpus Christi. They could see a few severe storms in that area tomorrow. Risk of severe storms for parts of the upper high plains, and on day 3, only got a marginal risk. Again, notice how much of North Texas solidly in the green, risk of thunder, but no organized severe weather is expected any of these days. Average rainfall for the next 7 days, heaviest rainfall in the southeastern United States for a change. Down here, I could see up to half an inch, maybe even a quarter of an inch of rain for parts of North Texas over the course of this week, with any scattered shower or thunderstorm activity we see. So let's go on to the model output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS file this afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. Like I said before, trough right on top of us, and down here, on Friday, we do clear house on Friday. I can't rule out a chance of an isolated storm or two on Friday. Highs will be in the upper 80s. And here's Saturday. Pretty much we clear out on Saturday. Highs mostly sunny, very hot. Highs in the mid 90s. Pretty much the same deal on Sunday. And here's Monday. Not much change throughout the week. You can see we pretty much stay dry. Highs in the mid 80s, maybe a shower or two, but we pretty much stay fairly consistent in terms of next week's weather. So here's Tuesday and here's Wednesday. Not much change going on. Like I said, highs in the mid 80s at that point with a stray storm or two. And here's a week from today, Thursday the 13th of June. You can see troughing in the northwest. Heights are starting to creep back in the west, which means rising heat levels and dry conditions. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Saturday, the 15th of June. Troughing in the west. We're familiar with this pattern, and we've got that means we always have a low somewhere in the high plains, and of course we have that low near the Kansas-Oklahoma border. We'll see what that does, if anything. You can see let's go to the total ensemble spread once more. You can see we pretty much stay pretty dry for middle of June, but as we head into late June, we could see a little bit of an uptick of rain, as that last ensemble does mention up to 4 inches of rain by that time frame. So we'll just have to see. But for the numbers for the next 15 days coming off the GFS ensemble, you can see highs pretty much fluctuate for at least the early part of this week, and then for next week on the 10th of June, we pretty much stay in the mid 80s by that point. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. Our more notes in the blog. Next video here will be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch our local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.